Again, morning for the sessions morning. Today we will go to learn about ignition system. So ignition system in IC engine, what it is? There are two types of ignition system. It is magnetic ignition system, and other one is this electric ignition system. There are two types of ignition system. It's mainly principle is this is an engine driven rotor and magnets. Whenever suppose in scooters or in bikes, whenever kick starts we do, this magnet start moving, north pole south pole start moving. When it start moving, it develops. Here the coils are there, and these coils as per Faraday's law, this coil electromagnetic flux is being inducted. When this flux is being inducted, the EMF force has been created, and electric current will start flowing into these coils. So these are primary winding, these are secondary windings in a coil, and thus the current is being produced. This is magnetic operation. Now the other one is ignition system by as per Faraday's law of induction. It has been followed. These are a coil winding. This is the principal. This is a voltmeter. There is a magnet. Each time a magnetic field washes through the wires, an electric current is produced, called an EMF, electromagnetic force. So this electromagnetic force has been developed here. Now the other one is magnetic ignition system. This is magnetic ignition system. Magnetic field passes through the soft iron core. See EMF produced, and the coil in the coil of the winding, and the ignition take place. No magnetic field in the soft iron core. You can see here. The magnetic field passes through the soft iron core again, and so this because of this, once the magnetic field passes, once it not passes, this is a circuit diagram for ignition system. You can see here, this is the circuit diagram which we can see it here properly. This is a battery connected to it. Whenever a circuit breaks, the electric current passes through it, passes through this switch, and through this coil, and this electric current has been transferred to this contact breaker. Contact breaker has been there, and it is when this is rotating. This is suppose 4-cylinder engine, 4 spark plugs. You can see it here. One this is attached to the earth. This blue one is earth. Earthing has been there. One supplies from the magnet. This from the positive side. This you can see the magnet, the electricity has been supplied to this spark plug, and as and when this timing has been adjusted, whenever the sparking has been required, so this setting has been done in the contact breaker point, right? Or distributor. This is called a distributor unit, rather a proper word for it. This is ignition coil. This is magnetic unit, power generation, coil, spark generation. This is condenser, contact breaker, distributor unit, rotor arm, rotating, and this is a basically a battery unit. Now this is a battery ignition system in a more advanced manner. Previously we have seen this magnetic ignition system. Now this is battery ignition system. Circuit diagram. This is battery, positive has been connected to it, other one is connected to the earth, these will be connected. Then this ignition switch, it passes to the coil, passes to the coil, it will be transferred to distributor. There is a condenser also which stores energy here. This is contact breaker, and distributor moves and it supplies to all the 4 spark plugs as and when, as per the timing, as and when required. This is dynamo, coil, secondary windings, primary windings. Okay. Now typical distributor is of this type of distributor which you used to see in your cars mainly. Cap, body, input shaft, this is vacuum chamber, vacuum advance, and this is how it works. This is the vacuum chamber is something like this. Diaphragm pump has been there, up and down. Adjustable plate is there. Cam operator points adjust the inlet pressure, centrifugal advance. Right now, this ignition system, electronic ignition system, nowadays we are using it in multi-point fuel injection system type of things. This ignition switch, alternator, as we can see is a battery. This is engine speed sensing unit, timing device. This is timing sensor, control unit, and this is coil pack. Okay, so these are the things. These are the spark plug which will be kept in the engine, and as per the distributor, is distributed. The timing has been arranged to this all the 4 spark plugs. This in a, what does the spark plug contain? This is a cap, ceramic body, hexagon, outer casing, copper sealing gasket, securing thread, and this one is outer electrode. This is spark plug. Okay, now this is seal, center electrode. You see these surfaces must be kept clean. Change spark plug at specified times. Make sure that the correct spark plug is fitted. These are our 4 spark plugs. You can see it here to this outer body, and this gap is to be maintained as in how much spark is to be generated. Okay, so thanks for